is K Chieng. I am a lecturer of journalism at the United States International University, Africa, Nairobi, Kenya. I am from the School of Communication, Cinematics and Creative Arts at the university. I am here at the TIIKM conference 2008, organized at the Hotel Windsor Suites and Convention in Bangkok, Thailand. The conference has been well organized. It has been very enlightening with topics from various areas. I am very interested in the area of media, and therefore the papers have been very informative. The presenters have presented new findings and added knowledge to the area of communication. I recommend that you come for the next communication conference organized by TIIKM. Thank you.